Remember my pregnancy skincare routine? Good time. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Estee and I'm doing okay, today we have a foundation review and wear test. That's right, because I have a new foundation which is I'm so excited about. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. So I actually got it yesterday. Yes, yesterday. And I also got the primer. I'm not sure how long I will wear this because it is already 9 o'clock and I have to remove it by afternoon because I need to, solat and all. Okay, as always, we're going to test using two different tools. One is my favorite foundation brush. It's early in the morning, guys. My favorite foundation brush, and the other one is using my Juno and Co velvet sponge, and we will see which one that I like better. So first thing, primer first. I have already applied my serum, my moisturizer, and my sunscreen. Yes, my skin is breaking out right now ever since last year. Okay, so this is how the primer looks like. Oh, I should shake it. Oh, this one contains SPF 50 PA++. Very kind of oily, so I'm gonna focus it on my T-zone and my chin and also my forehead. Okay, can we talk about the packaging though, because I hate this. Look at that. I accidentally squeezed it yesterday and then the foundation melekat dekat I punya tangan tau, and then of course lah I akan touch it kan. So now it's messy and it is impossible to remove the foundation from this cap, and this rubberized cap is a no-no. At the end of the day, dia akan melekit. Should I shake it first? Yeah, I think so. I don't like tube foundation that does not come with a pump because, like I said, it's messy. I don't like it. I like it better with pump, like the Fenty foundation. Okay. I think that's one pump. Let's do this side, which is my problematic side. Look at that shade. I love it. Wow. Wow, that's nice. That is so nice on top of my textured skin. And that is just one pump. Bukan one pump lah, macam almost one pump lah, walaupun tak ada pump. You get what I mean, right? Wow, wow. So it covers my redness pretty well, and my scar over here, I don't have any active acne actually. Most of them are scar and textured. These are my active acne. Covers the redness pretty well. This one also less red lah. It's still red, but it's decent. It feels so lightweight. Ooh, interesting. I kind of like it that I have acne and stuff, so that you guys can see the difference kan. Because if you have clear skin, you when you do like a foundation application, you cannot really see because some people, they already blessed with a great skin, so kita macam mana foundation tu. You know, but this is how the foundation looks like. Nice. I like it with the brush too. Now kita akan guna the sponge. Okay, I'm gonna do like a one pump juga, like this much. And it's very liquidy. So, oh my gosh, is it too much for half of my face? Oh my god, I think I put a little bit too much. Oh, I think I put a little bit too much on this side. It has a lot more coverage bila I guna sponge ni, but this sponge I lupa lah, dia memang akan bagi full coverage effect even if you are using less product tau. This side I tak berapa suka because it's kind of like way too matte and too much. I like with the brush better because it looks less heavy and natural. I'm gonna put a little bit on the brush for like this much on this side to balance out with this side, because this side is way too much. Oh no. But see, it covers my acne and all. Nice. Okay, my advice is use very little product, but so you build it up, because right now this side is like so full coverage. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so this is my final update. It is now 3, dah pukul 3. So masa I apply tadi dah pukul 9.30. Masa I apply tadi pukul 9.30 pagi. So ini sekarang dah pukul 3 petang, and this is how the foundation looks like. I dah makan semua, okay, kind of settle on my nose a little bit, and dia dekat jerawat ni dia dah macam tertanggal sikit. But overall, 5 jam I pakai, it looks very nice. I tak adalah overly oily ke apa. Look at my nose area, dia tak ada macam overly oily ke or whatever. Most of the foundation are below my cheeks, dia dah tertanggal sebab I pakai mask. Tapi look at my mask, it's very minimal tau dia transfer. So transfer proof tu okay lah I think kalau you nak pakai mask. Dekat hidung I memang selalu akan tanggal sebab hidung I kan oily. But the rest of my face, ini lipstick tau. And on yang cheek area, kiri dan kanan, pretty much tak ada pun yang transfer. So I'm very happy with this foundation. So this is my review on the new Nars Soft Matte Foundation. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!